5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 250 line. Left 9, 100 up. Into crest and right 9 over crest. Be 100 up, into crest and right 9 over crest. Into left 8, 100 down. Be right 9 over crest into left 8, 100 down. Right 7 plus. Right 7 plus here. 200. Left 8. Repeat. Left 8, 100. Left 9, brake, 30, turn left 3. Repeat, left 9, brake, turn 30, left 3. 200. Big crest, 100. Repeat, brake, big crest, 100, left 8 up into crest and late right 8. Repeat, left 8 up into crest and late right 8 and left 9, repeat, late right 8 and left 9. 30, stay right over jump. 50, left 5, don't go wide. Repeat, 50, left 5, don't go wide. 80. Right 7 short, stay in and left 9. Repeat, right 7 short, stay in and left 9. Into right 9. 50, left 9 into crest, 30. Repeat, 50, left 9 into crest, 30. Right 8, tightens over small kick long, ends over crest. Be right 8, tightens over small kick long, ends over crest. And left 8, tightens the 6 plus late, half long. Repeat, left 8, tightens the 6 plus late, half long. Tightens 6 plus late, half long, 80. Right 7, don't cut half long. And crest, left 6 plus. Be right 7, don't cut half long. And crest, left 6 plus. 100. Repeat, crest, left 6 plus. 100. Left 5 plus. 30. Deceptive right 5 plus, half long. Repeat, left 5 plus. 30. Deceptive right 5 plus, half long. 100. Repeat, deceptive right 5 plus, half long. 100. Right 8 short, stay in. Into left 8, 80 down. Repeat, right 8 short, stay in. Into left 8, 80 down. And line up into right 8, tightens over crest. Repeat, line up into right 8, tightens over crest. 80. Crest. Into left 8 over small crest. And crest jump left 9. And brake right 9 over small crest. Into left 3, stay in, don't go wide. Repeat, right 9 over small crest, and the brake, left 3, stay in, don't go wide. Right 8. 50. Right 6. Into left 8. Repeat, right 6. Into left 8. Right 4, stay in. Repeat, left 8, right 4, stay in. Into left 6. Repeat, right 4, stay in. Into left 6. 100 line. Left 7, stay in, and right 6. Repeat, left 7, stay in, and right 6. And left 7, repeat, right 6 and left 7, 30. Deceptive late, right 5 plus, don't cut half long. Repeat, 30, deceptive late, right 5 plus, don't cut half long. 80. Left 8, half long, tightens. Repeat, 80. Left 8, half long, tightens. 50. Left 7, 200. Repeat, left 7, 200. Hook right 6, 80. Repeat, hook right 6, 80. Right 9, 50. Left 8, 30. Repeat, left 8, 30. Right 7 into crest. Left 8 half long. Repeat, right 7 into crest. Left 8 half long. Tightens to 7. Tightens to 4 half long late. Repeat, tightens to 7 and tightens to 4 half long late. And right 7 plus. And crest, 80. Mid right over crest and left 7. Repeat, 80 mid right over crest and left 7. 50. Right 6, tightens late, stay in. Repeat, left 7, 50. Right 6, tightens late, stay in. And left 3. Repeat, and left 3. Left 3. 600. gonna have a little crest there, and then you'll have the right 6 plus after the crest.
Good.
There it is, there's a small crest, right 6 plus, 80. Right 5, 30 down. Gonna be right 5, 30 down. Left 8 tightens, 80. Repeat, left 8 tightens, 80. Right 7 half long. Repeat, right 7 half long, 150. Left 7 plus, 150. Repeat, left 7 plus, 150. Right 8, 30. Left 8 over crest, 80. Repeat, right 8, 30. Left 8 over crest, 80. Right 9 over crest, 80. Left 8, repeat, right 9 over crest, 80. Left 8, 50. Stay mid right over crest with left 8 here, 50. Stay mid right over crest, 100. Right 7 plus. Repeat, 100. Right 7 plus. 100. Repeat, right 7 plus here, 100. Left 5 plus. 200. Repeat, left 5 plus. 200. Right 3 plus up there, 150. Repeat, right 3 plus, 150. Caution, slow down before the bridge. And then 250, left 4 hook. Repeat, 150, caution, slow down before the bridge. 250, left 4 hook. 300. Repeat, left 4 hook, 300. Brake, right entry chicane, 2 elements, and then 250. Repeat, right entry chicane, 2 elements, 250. Turn right 6 onto tarmac. Repeat, 250, turn right 6 onto tarmac, 500. Left, after the 500, left 3. At the tape there, left 3, 200. Onto gravel. 80, left 9, 150 down. Right 8 tightens to 5 late. Repeat, right 8 tightens to 5 late. 350. Tightens to 5 late, 350. Left 6. Beat up there, we've got left 6, 100 line. Repeat, left 6, 100 line. Right 7 plus, 100. Right 8 half long and left 7, 200. Repeat, right 8 half long and left 7 through finish, 200. Left 7 through finish, 200. Good.
Nice job.
That was very good, buddy. Very good.
That has to be faster.
Mm-hmm. We went 15 seconds faster than our second pass and 19 seconds faster than our first.
Wow.
We were fucking on it there, dude. Very good.
Rally safety finish.